For the NET examination hall ticket, you must require application number and date of birth. Yes, to download hall ticket, you must require application number, date of birth. How to download the NET hall ticket? Listen carefully. Go to the official website ugcnet.nta.nic.in ugcnet.nta.nic.in. There is a link is provided. Click on that link and fill your application number, date of birth and other information they can ask. Submit and must take the printed copy of the hall ticket. This require at the examination center. This printed copy must require at the examination center. Check the details on the hall ticket, your number, photo, ID, all. Check the details. If there is anything wrong, so check the details on that hall ticket and share this information to the maximum students, because this is an examination all over the India. Best of luck for the examination and must download your hall ticket quickly. Share. Thanks.